Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a website to your Pinterest account, and it's pretty simple to do. And first of all, you will of course need to copy the link of the website you want to put on your Pinterest. So I'm just gonna go to my TikTok and copy the link of my profile just for the sake of the video. I just copied it, and after that I'm gonna go to my Pinterest, click on the bottom right corner on the profile icon, and after that you have to click on the top right corner on the settings, and after that you have to click on edit profile, and here you can put your website. As you can see here, add link to your site. You can just paste it and click done, and the profile is updated. So here it is. Here's my link. Of course you need to put your website link, but here's how you can do this. So if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe, and take care. Bye.